Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to be doing a haul. So this has been a collective haul, to say the sorts, because it's all online brands or things that aren't in Canada, but I have been collecting them over the past few weeks, month and a half probably, and I want to show you guys what I got. So I got stuff from Sephora, from Ulta, from Morphe, and from Elf. But before we jump in, we're gonna start with Ulta, and let me show you what happened to my brush. It was on top, but I must put something else on top of it, and it like must have leaned against the brush and completely disfigured it. And I was like, oh my god, why? Just why? But if you guys have any tips or hints into fixing brushes, like I honestly feel like this is like so beyond repair. But I'm gonna try to wash it and see if that fixes it. And if not, RIP to my poor brush. But please, if you have tips, let me know. Please, please. Okay, I just washed it. There may be hope. We'll see when it dries. Hopefully it doesn't just dry like dun 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 and just stays like this, because then it will be saved. But while we're talking about this brush, I'll tell you what I originally got it for. I got it because I thought it'd be great for like applying like pink toned highlights over blush for when I want to look extra dewy and extra glowy. So hopefully when this dries, and it dries hopefully the shape it's supposed to be, it will all be good and we can use it. So as I said, I did get stuff from Ulta and Morphe, but there were a few Morphe products that I did get from the Ulta website, so I'm going to include those in the stuff that I show you for Ulta. So the next thing I got from Ulta was this Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I actually already have one. I really love this setting spray. This is like one of my favorites. I think this is just as good as my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray for like a fraction of the cost. In fact, when I got this one, I actually used it more than that one, just because that one did have a little bit of a scent, and like my nose always runs when I put makeup on or setting spray. But I found that it did it a lot less when I used this, so I got it back with this. But I also want to try more setting sprays, so I got this Morphe setting spray because I hear so many good things about it. I hear good things from Jacqueline, I hear good Kathleen likes, like they all say how good it is, and like I was like, I want to try it because those are some of my favorite YouTubers for beauty. So, and they sell me on like so much stuff. From Ofra, I got this sharpener because I really needed one. I just didn't have one, and I just figured throw that in the bag, get it. And then I got two things from Ulta because they were giving away a gift, and I wanted the gift so bad that I was like, I'm gonna go take a look at Ulta collection things and pick some stuff up, and I will show you the gift last because it's good. So I got this Ultra Beauty Tinted Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. So it is like a BB cream and a skin tint with SPF in it, which I thought, that's great. As of like right now, I can't wear it because it's too light. I got the deepest color, but it's supposed to be sheer. Oh, okay, it's not too bad. But I think in like a month, it'll be like, it will work really well on me, just because I am much darker right now because summer just did pass. But I feel like in a little bit that'll look really great, and oh my gosh, it's so dewy. And I got this sheer lip gloss, and when I opened, first of all, the color is so pretty. It's this beautiful like peachy orange color, but it has like that brush tip. I'm not really a big fan of like these type of applicators, but it's okay. It's super sheer. It just has like a hint of the color, and it's super shiny, so I'm excited to give this a try. Oh, these products have been just sitting here for so long, and I've been wanting to like dive in and get my hands into them, but I was like, no, let me film this video first and then I'll dive on it. And then the next thing I have from Ulta is this BH Weekend Festival palette. I've had my eye on this for so long. I mean like months. And it's so pretty, but it was always sold out. So when I saw they had it, I was like, oh, you're mine. And I wanted it because it's so pretty. I hate those plastic things. Like, it just had so many fun colors, and it was so hard not to like just go in and swatch them all. But we will swatch them now. So let's swatch. We'll swatch the purple. We'll swatch this one because it's just saying, swatch me, honey, swatch me. And I've been so... I literally swatched a finger that had no product on it. And I was like, wait, what? Did I get a dud? I've been so excited to get my hands on this. Oh, do you see that purple? Oh my gosh, no you don't. I did not put very much on. Hold on, let me make a bigger swatch for you. That purple though. Ooh, and then this like super metallic like rose gold. Ooh. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm really excited. So I can't wait to dive in. Let me know if you want to see a tutorial using this palette. And what kind of tutorial you'd like to see using it. Because there's a lot of fun colors in it. The free gift that I was saying that I wanted is from Ulta was this bag. So if you bought a certain amount of products, I can't remember how much money you had to spend on Ulta products, but I think I only got 2 products. I thought I got 3, but apparently I only got 2. You get this free bag full of makeup. And first of all, the bag is so cute. It's glittery. Feels kind of rough, but it looks really pretty. And the glitters don't fly off, so that's really nice. It has like a rose gold zipper. What comes with the bag is these on-the-go cleansing wipes. I'm just gonna go through real quick because there's a lot of stuff in here. This mini makeup palette, eyeshadow palette. Why do I keep saying makeup palette today? This matte setting spray, which I'm actually excited to try this because I've never tried a matte setting spray. This Bronze and Illuminate palette, which I will probably never use because none of these colors look like they will suit me. Yeah, that bronze color, it's like right here, that's nothing. The Illuminate color is not bad. It's like a nice white gold. So that's actually pretty. I got this gel eyeliner in black. I got this matte metallic liquid lipstick, and it's like a very pinky color. I will try to do as many swatches for you guys, but I also don't want this video to be 10 years long. So it looks just like that. I got a mascara in Limitless Lash. I got a brow tint in medium, which my brows are black. I don't know if that's gonna work. I got a lipstick, which actually looks really pretty. I think that'll make like a really pretty nude, and I think it's a color that would work on a lot of different people. A tinted eye primer. It's very rose gold. I don't know. That's a very specific eye primer. And finally I got 2 brushes. So I got this flat synthetic shader brush, and I got this like rounded blush brush. So I'm excited to try all these things out, and that's everything that was in the bag. But that's so much for buying 2 products to get all that. So, next brand, Sephora. I actually only got one thing from Sephora, which was this Born to Run palette, which I was so excited for. And I'm actually going to have a video coming up very soon where I'll do a full-on review on this palette. So stay tuned for that. But just so you guys can get a few swatchies in the meantime, I will swatch that one and this one. So as you can see, that's one of the matte, one of the shimmers. And yeah, I'll go into more detail on this soon. I also got a couple free samples from Sephora. So I got this Bare Minerals lipstick sample and some of their lustrous lip swatches. So I got these 4 colors. So try it out. Bare Minerals has never been a brand that really pops out at me, especially after that whole lip gloss. But I'll keep an open mind. I got this Makeup Forever Step 1 primer sample, and I'm actually excited to try that because I've seen a lot of people say good things about these primers. So, and then because it was my birthday month, I got a free gift, which was this Glam Glow Hello Sexy skincare kit, which came with a cleanser and a glowy moisturizer. which I got in the shade Nude Glow. I did not see that when I picked it out. We'll see how that works. Next, we will go on to e.l.f. So the first thing I got from e.l.f., which I was so excited for, was this hydrating bubble mask. And I've seen people use this so much, and it always intrigues me. And basically what you do is you press down. There's like a little circle in the top where the product comes out. Oh my gosh. And now I got too much. Oh, lovely. Okay. And you slide it on like this, and then it starts to bubble. I will show you my hand again when it starts bubbling. I also got these tone adjusters from e.l.f. and I must say I really like e.l.f. They're a very innovative brand. So I got one in the shade dark brown. So basically if your foundation's too light, you put in a little drop of this because it's like supposed to be mostly pigment and it will darken it up. And then I also got the shade yellow, which is good for if the undertone is too neutral, especially like my LA Girl Pro Matte. I feel like this will be a great mixer for it. I got this pore refining brush tool and it looks like this. It's basically you apply your mask with it. It has like a rubber spatula sort of thing on one end, and then it has like this really dense brush. I'm not really sure what you use the brush for, but I'll find out. I got another e.l.f. Mist and Set spray. I have one, but I'm like halfway through it, and this is like the jumbo size. This is the Mac and Daddy size. And I got a lip gloss, and this is an Alyssa Ashley lip gloss, and this is another thing I've had my eyes on for a long time. It just looks so pretty. This color. Oh, see the mask? It's like bubbling up now. It's supposed to be great for hydration, so I'm excited to try it because I like a nice hydrating mask because I don't have a lot. And that's that lip gloss right beside it. Super pretty. Can't wait to try this lip gloss. I got this e.l.f. primer infused bronzer in Constantly Bronzed, and I did swatch this only because I saw it and I was like, there's no way it's going to be a bronzer on me. It looked darker on the site, but I kind of had a hard time telling on the site. Oh yeah, absolutely not. Apparently I got another tone adjuster. I forgot. I got the one in tan, so this is for lightening your foundation. Apparently I have another sample from Sephora in here. That's the end of the e.l.f. products. But I got this Sheer Transforming Perfecting Moisturizer from Harrison. Oh my god. Ollie Hankerson. Oh my god. Ollie Hankerson. Okay, that's the closest I'm gonna get. I know the name and it's on the tip of my tongue, but it's like it won't come out. But I will definitely give that a try as well. For the last online brand that I bought stuff from, it was Morphe. And to start, I got another sponge, which you guys see me use this sponge all the time, but I wanted a backup just because I use it so often that I know it's gonna have its lifespan is gonna run out soon, so I got it back. And then I bought some brushes for them because that's what they're known for. Plus, Jaclyn Hill just came up with some brushes from them, and I love her so much. She's the person who definitely got me into makeup and taught me how to do my makeup because I did not know how to do it before. So I got her case first. I didn't get every brush because that's way too expensive, and I have lots of brushes that I love, so I just got a couple. But I also got the case because, like, look at this case. It's hard and it's glittery, but it's so smooth. I like this case so much, and it's like the perfect case for brushes. So it's magnetized. Oh my god. It's magnetized and it opens like this, and you have all your brushes in there. Oh my gosh. I also got stuff from ColourPop, which I forgot about. So I'm just gonna set those aside and we'll do those last. But as far as Morphe goes, I got this case and it's so beautiful. And then for her brushes, I got this one, which is the CxH 202 brush, and it looks so much like the Tom Ford bronzer brush, and I wanted to give it a try because it just looks so perfect. Like, it's not too big. I feel like this is like the perfect shape for my face. I also got the CxH41 brush, and it's this flat synthetic brush, which I have a few like this, but they're not as flexible as this one, so I feel like this will be perfect for packing on glitter and like pigments onto the eye. And then I got this really tiny like blending brush. I hope you guys can see that. And I thought this would be great for like really blowing out the lower lash line, or if I want to get super precise, this looked perfect. Also, this brush, this case, if I had put this brush in it, I'm sure it wouldn't have been warped because it would have been so protected. I also got their Y14 brush, which is a highlight brush, because as you guys know, the one I have is not really my favorite, so I wanted to try one that was synthetic and not natural hair because I feel like it'll pack more of a punch. And also, I kind of like the feeling of synthetic brushes more than natural. And oh, I cheated. I swatched this because I couldn't help myself. This is a Morphe gloss, and I got the shade Gypsy. And oh my gosh, when I tell you, this gloss was so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look how much this is bubbling now. Do you see that? Do you see that? Can't see against my white background. Okay. Like, that is so funky. Oh my god, I can't wait to try that. This gloss is so beautiful though. Back to the gloss. It's like this nice brownie mauvey pink gloss, and it has a really nice consistency. Like, it's not sticky, which is so amazing. And it's like not too opaque. It definitely can be opaque if you want it to be, but it's like a nice medium tone, which I really like. And I actually want to get a lot more of those lip glosses because they are so nice. Lastly, from ColourPop, they were having a final call sale. So these were items that they were just gonna get rid of. So they were like crazy reduced in price, and they were like things that they were gonna get rid of and like never bring back. But I did catch a couple of their single eyeshadows, and I will show you guys. I'll basically just show you guys what the shades are in the package, just because it would take me too long to take them all out and swatch them. So I got Going Steady, which is this nice purple shade. I got Top Notch. Wait, I feel like I have that shade. Okay, I don't. Good. I also got Heavy Glam, which is a metallic orangey shade. I got Slim Fit, which is a bright orange. And I got Hop On, which is a bright brick red. And I got a liquid lip in the shade Top 8. It's just like, it's really, oh my gosh, look at that color, guys. Oh my gosh. I'll make you a bigger swatch. It looks so pretty. And this is an ultra matte lip. Oh my gosh. These things dry so fast. And then I can like never get them off. But that color is so pretty. But yeah, guys, that's everything I got in my recent collective haul, and I hope you guys liked seeing all the new stuff. I'll definitely make sure to play with it, but let me know what you want me to like show first, because there's a lot. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.